guys, so today I'm making Thai chicken cucumber salad that I saw online. It sounded really good, so I thought I'd give it a try. The most complicated thing is going to be the sauce. I already have my chicken. I boiled chicken breast and then I just shredded it up. Cucumber, red onion, a little cilantro to top it, and I'll get to the sauce ingredients next. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and add half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter of a cup of sweet chili sauce, a quarter of a cup of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of coco aminos, garlic powder, lime zest or lime juice, and now mix thoroughly. Once that's mixed, set it aside, and we'll start on the cucumbers. You want to julienne the cucumbers. I found a handheld tool on Amazon, and it works pretty well. You want to set these aside and pat as much moisture out of them as possible. Now we're going to slice your onion. I'm not really good at slicing onions thin, so I ended up using my KitchenAid chopper. Now we're going to add the shredded chicken, our cucumber, and we're going to mix in our sauce. Mix it thoroughly and then decide on what topping you want to use. I'm going to use cilantro, but crushed peanuts would be awesome on this. Add some there. Okay, here goes. I've never had this before. This is so good. Delicious.